Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you. It's good to be here. Let's get it started. Today, I'm going to talk about something very important when you're trading: the entry. Where do I get in? Where do I get in? It's easy just to push the button at any point in time, but it's precise to be able to figure out exactly where to push it to get the best results. I'm going to talk about that today. Where do I get in to the market? Where do I get into my trade? So number one, whatever analysis you've done, whatever strategy you've done, you have to make sure your entry makes sense. What do I mean by that? Does it make sense? What is the probability of your entry being at a good place and going in your direction? Because we're trading off of probabilities. No one knows for sure, but probabilities. Let me give you a quick example here. So if I were to trade this is GBP USD on the 4-hour chart. If I want to trade this chart right now, even right where it is, live chart right where it is. If I were going to take a entry for a buy, market is selling off hard here, pull back, selling off even lower, and we put in a lower low. Does it make sense for me to put in a buy right here? Looking at the market structure, having seen that we just put in a brand new low, probably doesn't make a bunch of sense. I mean, it doesn't mean it's not going to go up, but it doesn't make a lot of sense based upon market structure. So you want your entry to make sense. An entry for a sell opportunity up here would have been really good. Why? Because we knew the market was coming down. We were looking for a pullback, and once that market pulled back, we hoped that it would continue down in the same direction. So you want your trend to match up with your entries, but then your entries got to be really precise. So we understand, okay, we're going down, we're selling GBP USD. How do I know where to get in? I'm going to take you back a little bit here. So a couple of things you can do. You can keep it really simple. And basically look for any green candle. Wait for the market to pull back to that candle. Not any green candle, I'm sorry. Look for the lowest green candle. Wait for the market to pull back to that level and sell it. As you see right here, wick entry worked out perfectly. Not going to work out perfectly every time. As you see right here, it actually jumped above our entry a little bit, broke below it, continued, and went on down lower. And then one more time, we would have used this level right here. Look at that. Market came back, rejected, second opportunity, and the market sold off. So that's like a really super duper simple way. I'm not telling you to take that every single time, but that's just a super way to see a trendy market. Every single pullback, the lowest buying candle, the green on my chart, the lowest buying candle, if you see right here, if I would have done that just on the way down here, I would have won one trade. Depending on my stop loss, maybe I lost this trade. And then this last trade down here, that's 2 out of 3. And if you're checking, that first one was about 200 pips, and I lost this one for about 40 pips. And even if I was paying attention, I could have got in a second time. Let's just say I got in this one currently about 173 pips. So, I mean, we lost 40 something here, but we gained about 370 just off of that simple lowest buying candle. Wait for the market to pull back and sell it. And it works the other way too. So if you're going up, like right here, wait for the market to pull back to the highest selling candle. That's what my blue candle is. Those are my selling candles. And you see the market broke above, pull back to that entry. Boom. 200 and 300 and almost 50 pips off of that entry. Now, do you want to take every single one of those? Absolutely not. I'm just giving you a really simple way how you can kind of look at the market and almost pinpoint it exactly about where you want to get in for an entry. When you're going up, you're looking for selling candles, the highest selling candle at that. And I'll show you again right here. Look at this. Boom. It's the highest selling candle. Get that market come back. Boom, boom, boom. Wick entries. 3 wick entries right there. before it actually just broke through. So pretty accurate. I mean, you can pretty much do it anywhere on any time frame. So rule of thumb, market's going up, you're looking for a pullback to the highest selling candle. Market's going down, you're looking for a pullback to the lowest buying candle, no matter what color that is. And I'll show you that just right here. Look at this. Market didn't quite give it to us there. Market sold off, didn't quite give it to us there. Market came back. And right here, as you guys can see, let's get this out of here. As you can see right here, respected it. Kind of overshot a little bit and then pulled back down. This one over here, same thing. Overshot a little bit. If you took a lesson on this, wait for the market to come back below. Second opportunity, third opportunity, fourth opportunity, fifth opportunity before the market melted. So even if you took a lesson at that level and it overshot, that level was still important. It still gave you a beautiful entry. Wick entry here, wick entry, wick entry, wick entry, wick entry. So let's keep it really, really simple. I'm not going to go too deep about that, but your entries, I'm trying to tell you, you can get some really, really, really nice entries. That was on, let's go to a crypto pair. I know people always are looking at that too. Let's go to Ethereum. And I'll show you on Ethereum chart. Even right now, boom. So this is the 4-hour chart again. And let's do a different time frame. I want to show you it works on every time frame too. So here we go. We can clearly see the market's going up, 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 and up. I'm going to mark up this highest selling candle. What do I mean by that? The market pushed up, boom, and then we had a sell-off. This is the highest selling candle, so that's why I marked it up. Market went up again. This is the highest selling candle because it pulled back. Market went up again. This is the highest selling candle. Then the pullback. Market went up again. This is the highest selling candle. Then a pullback. Market went up again. This is the highest selling candle. And then a pullback. So that's what I mean by that. I want you guys to see how accurate that was. We got this over here on July 4th. Market came back July 5th. A whole day later, 24 hours later, give you a wick entry off this level. Push that market right back up. Look at that, y'all. Push that market right back up. If you don't believe me, I'll do it again. I'll do it again. I just keep doing it. Look at this. Market's pushing up. Highest selling candle. Market broke up. Didn't quite come back and get it yet. Ooh, but look at that. Market respected that level again right there. So the level was important. We didn't get an entry right there, but I'll just keep doing it so you can see it. This is the highest selling candle. That market come back right to that level. Beautiful entry. Push the market right back up. Beautiful entry. Push the market right back up. And so now let's go on the downside. Crypto's kind of selling off right now, so I'll just remind you on the downside here. On the downside, we're looking for the market to drop and then pull back to the lowest buying candle. So I'm going to start from this top here. This is the lowest buying candle. Market push up and then drop. This right here would be your lowest buying candle. Market pushed up and then drop. This big one right here would be your lowest buying candle. But as you see right here already, wick entry off a kiss right there. Market melted. And if you missed that one, would you look at this right here? Boom. Boom. This is it right here. Lowest buying candle. Market pushed up. Wait for that market to drop back. Entry right here to sell off right there too. You guys are like, there's no way that this can keep working. Okay, let's go down to the 15-minute chart. Let's go to a different pair. Let's go something we haven't touched. Euro Chef. Euro Chef. Doesn't matter where we are. I'll just show it to you time and time again. Market's dropping. This is the lowest buying candle. Look at that entry. Look at that entry right there to sell that market. If you didn't believe that one, let's give you another one. This is the lowest buying candle. Let's get this out of here. Market dropped, pull back, dropped again, and if you missed that one, it gave it to you again right there. Wick entry, market just dropped, melted. You don't believe me? Let's keep it going. Boom, lowest buying candle right here. Look at that market. Respect, respect, drop. This is the current market too. Respect, respect, drop. If you caught that trade right there, that trade gave you about 25 pips. Just off of that. 25 pips off of that. I mean, I could take it all the way down. And then on the way up, same thing. So one more time so you guys got it. On the way down, you're looking for the lowest buying candle. This candle is a green candle, just so you guys know. It's a buying candle. And on the way down, on the way down, you're looking for the lowest buying candle to break below and then come back and retest it. So the market will drop, wait for it to pull back. You're looking for the lowest buying candle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And on the way up, you're looking for the market to go up. And look at this, you guys. Man, this can't work this many times. Market goes up. This is the highest selling candle. Pushed up a little bit higher. One more time for the one-time wick entry. Market takes off. I could literally show you this all night, but I'm not gonna. I'll catch you on the next video. Everybody have a great one. Let's go.